What's up, guys? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I'm back again with another beautiful and nice video. Please do not forget to click the like, subscribe, and share button with your friends and families. Guys, it's been a good week. So today, let's just go into the charts and see where we can find opportunities. I hope you guys are taking opportunities as much as I do. Let's go into the charts. What we'll be looking at, okay, I know many people, they like trading indices, but just be giving you guys much more clarity on some of the pairs that you can be able to make. With gold, we had many great opportunities on gold, guys. Gold has been paying us heavy. You can see now we reached our target around here, and then now just want you guys to see what we've been looking at currently. Start from higher time frame and be able to understand the bigger move that is coming. Yes. Okay, now you can see we are having this type of formation. This more looks like the demand zone. You can see, let's look at what is currently happening. I can see we had a point right here. Here it pushed to the upside. So let's further look, dive in and go to 4-hour time frame. So what I can safely say, we can see that the market is showing signs of going up, but the ultimate decider that will say, okay, now I'm changing, will be the break here and retest and push further. Okay. This retest will define whether this move is changing direction, because what can actually happen, and you can see, yes, this is a double bottom, but it's possible that we can have this type of nature. You understand? So you cannot safely say this is a double bottom, the market is reversing. You have to look at other factors that will say that we broke out of the structure, we are retesting, and then we're going up. And also looking at this, it is indeed just change your movement. Okay, so now let me go to 1 hour. So I can see we broke out of this one, we retested. This is what I'm talking about. You can see this bullish candle here showing us that yes, indeed, we are having a break here. So now I use this one. Okay, fine. So as you know, favorite peak, then you can see Ofentse 600. You can see that, okay, fine. This area here, and just put it here. So the great buy would have been here as a risk entry, but then now you can see that we are here. So now you can safely buy this point here. It will be here. So now you can see we are buying gold. Buy it with me now. Then we'll take it all the way here. Then we'll see what happens out here. Whether it's coming with an impulse move, then retest. What can possibly happen? We can push and then come and retest this and break. You understand? Or we can have this type of situation. Then and come back. So let's look at what it's gonna do. But for now, we are having current buys because we are still inside this bigger bearish movement. But now we're having a break, so make sure that we can be able to see what is currently happening here. So make sure you don't forget and keep on your tabs. Let's go to the next one. Now I'm gonna look at US500. I know many people like indices, but this one is the most one that will give you precision, be able to get those right moves. Let's see why I'm saying such. You can see the dip also here. It's on 78.6 and also 61.8. So let's look at what is currently. Guys, to actually see, let me remove, or let me rather go to higher time frame. You can see here we had a bearish. Take this, put it here, and then we take this one. So you can see here we're having a correction here on 4-hour time frame. Now our next target will be something around here. We pass this one, then we had a correction here. So make sure that you can identify your chart patterns, and then you can use this one. There is a retest here. Let's go to 30 minutes. So with this one, you would have used this level here. Sometimes it doesn't necessarily touch 618, but it goes within between 50 and 61.8, or between 618 and 78.6. So make sure whenever, if you have bought around this level, you make sure you stop loss, just give it a little bit of room so that you can be able to have a room for movement. Okay, so now let's look at what is currently happening. This one, I'm expecting a certain retest in this type of form before we push to the upside. Something possible that it can even go a little bit here. So let's see, oh yes. So a retest around this point and now becoming a support. So around this level, we are going to buy again. This was informative, and guys, please do not forget to click the link, subscribe, share with your friends and family so that you guys can be able to get much more knowledge. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. Peace.